Tell me.
If you're busy.
Fahey just assaulted him. On the police body camera, you can see Fahey grabbing and throwing the journalist's phone.
Body camera's on stop. He has his body camera.
I don't care.
Stop,
I don't
man.
care. Right? This is private property. Okay?
I'm not doing anything.
You're not going to
I will get
videotape
off.
me and
I'll
have
get
an
off of
attitude
it.
with me.
I'll get
But
off
I'm going
of
to
it.
tell you what
Where's your
right
phone?
now,
I'll
dude.
get off of it.
I'm not
Stop.
the one.
All right.
Okay? I gave you the information
trying
you
to make a
needed,
complaint, that's it.
and I gave you your outlet. Right?
I'm
You were
going.
giving your
I
outlet.
said I
No,
was
you wanted to
going.
stand there and hold your cell phone in my face.
I
Is
wasn't
what
in
you
your
wanted to
face.
do. Yes,
I
you
wasn't
do.
in your
Take your
face.
cell phone and go and make your complaint.
Oh.
That complaint now includes a lawsuit against Sergeant Fahey and the Connecticut State Police. This clash from July 2021 began when journalist Sean Paul Reyes, also known as Long Island Audit, started filming in Bradley International Airport and received approval from a TSA supervisor.
Yeah.
As long as you don't film the X-ray screens, because that's all sensitive.
Okay.
And impede the operation, you're fine.
Yeah. No, I'm just an independent journalist gathering content for a story.
I think you're well within your rights. I think you know all them.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir. And your name was? Brett Kavanaugh. Brett. Wow, like the Supreme Court Justice.
Moments after this, Brett Kavanaugh said Reyes was not doing anything wrong. Connecticut State Trooper Charles Lavoie arrived.
State Police, how are you doing today?
How you doing, Trooper?
Good, I'm here to find out what your business here is at the airport today.
Nothing. Just gathering content for a story. I'm an independent journalist.
Oh, great. Do you have your ID on you?
I'm not going to provide you with my ID,
being asked
Trooper.
by a state trooper for your ID, you're going to have to provide it.
This Connecticut, sir, is not a stop and ID state, and unless you have reasonable articulable suspicion, I've
I'm
committed
about to do that. I'm not here to get a legal advice from you.
Yeah.
I'm asking legally, an order from a state trooper to provide me your ID. You're causing alarm at the airport. Multiple people have come up to us asking what you're doing.
There's a TSA supervisor who just told me I was
Can I
well
have
within
your
my
ID,
rights.
please?
Sir, let's
Put
see
your
it.
hands behind your back, please.
I'm going.
Put your hands behind your back, please.
Sir, okay.
Sir.
Here is the state police body camera.
I'm not going to cause any alarm. I don't.
Last answer.
I don't have any. I'm not going to put any. I'm not. I don't even have any ID on me, sir.
That's going to be it. Okay.
I can give you my name and date of birth if you'd like. Do you have your body camera on, sir?
581.
One detained, refusing to provide ID.
Is
there anything on you that's going to harm me, poke, anything sharp?
I don't consent to any searches.
I didn't ask you that. Is there anything on you that's going to harm me?
No, and I don't
Knives,
consent.
needles, weapons?
No.
No? Where's your ID?
I don't have one.
No? What's this, sir?
That's my car key. Sir, I'm an independent journalist working on gathering content for a story.
Okay.
I have not broken any laws.
No one said that you did. You're not under arrest right now. You're being detained.
But why are you detaining
You're
me?
interfering with my investigation.
Sir, you need to have reasonable articulable suspicion that
I'm
I've
articulating that to you right now, that you're causing a disturbance at the airport. Yes, you are.
By gathering content, I'm an independent journalist, sir.
You need to stop trying to teach me
Why
legal.
are you shaking? I'm not going to hurt you.
You
I
need
promise
to
you that.
stop and listen to me. I'm trying to identify you because you're causing a disturbance at the airport. You refuse to provide me your ID.
Illegal
You're clearly
activity.
doing this on purpose.
I'm not.
So we're going to go through the books by this.
I'm gathering content for a story. I told everybody I'm an independent journalist.
Now we're
So
going
how
to
is
prove
that?
that, sir.
There is no proof of that. The First Amendment grants me the right of
What's your
freedom of
last name?
press.
Under threat of arrest, Reyes verbally gave his full name and spelling.
Can I speak to your supervisor a little bit?
Absolutely.
Thank you. I appreciate that. Thank you.
While they were waiting for a supervisor, Reyes tried to explain that this detention was against the law.
Constitution doesn't end in international
Listen,
airports.
once again, I'm not going to sit here and go back and
Just
forth
you
with
can't handcuff people because you don't know if they're a threat or not, sir. That's dangerous that you're acting like this. Really, just because you're an officer doesn't mean give you the right to.
Seconds later, the trooper admitted
I did not say that there was a crime committed, sir. I tried to identify you to make sure that there was no issue here, and you refused to do that.
If I were you,
then you would not put your hands behind your back.
If I were you, I would invoke your own right to remain silent, sir, because you're just digging yourself deeper in a hole. You just said there's no crime.
Eventually, a supervisor arrived.
Why were you videotaping? Just out of curiosity.
Same thing I told you, Trooper. I'm an independent journalist gathering content for a story.
Okay.
I'm not going to divulge until the story is published. Now I guess the story has changed to an unlawful detainment by your officer, by your trooper. Sorry.
The supervisor ordered his troopers to release Reyes.
Turn on. Okay, go ahead. I'm sorry.
you need reasonable articulable suspicion, and I think I would like to file a formal complaint against this trooper.
Reyes was told to go to state police headquarters to file that complaint.
I'll be talking to professional standards since your sergeant doesn't want to do anything.
So he went. And after receiving a document to fill out, he was greeted by State Police Sergeant Brian Fahey.
Thank you, sir. How you doing, Sergeant?
You're videotaping me?
Yes, I am.
Okay. I don't want to talk to you then. If you want to videotape me, then if you want to talk to me like a man, we can chat.
But what about you guys wear body cameras here? What's the difference?
I don't have a body camera.
I understand that. Can I get your name, Sergeant?
Yeah, Brian Fahey.
Brian Fahey.
Yep.
So there's a serious civil rights violation going on here.
Fahey said he was in charge of firearms permits and licensing, not internal affairs.
We want to entertain your complaint through the proper channels. You want to make a complaint?
Yeah, which is through internal affairs.
Yep,
It's the proper
so you've been
channels.
given that. Yep.
I will go speak to them
All right,
personally.
have a great day.
You too.
Nice talking to you.
You as well.
I'll be right with you guys. You're all set here?
Excuse me?
Are you all set here?
Well, yeah, there's nothing else obviously you can help me out with at this point.
So you're all set. So you're going to go to IA right now, correct?
Yeah, I'll be there.
All right.
I'm going to be going.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. I'm going to be going.
Okay. So you're gonna stand here with your cell phone on.
I thought you were busy. I thought you were a busy man.
I am busy.
So you should get to work.
I should get to work. Is that what you're telling me?
If you're busy.
We're gonna have a problem between you and I. We're gonna have a problem between you and I.
We don't do interference.
His body camera's on. His body camera's on. Stop. He has his body camera on.
I don't care.
Stop,
I don't
man.
care.
Step back.
Right?
Step back.
This is private property.
I'm
okay?
not doing anything.
You're not going
relax.
to
I will get
videotape
off.
me.